Currently in your area,
87 degrees with windy conditions.
here's your local Doppler radar.
For tonight, windy with strong to severe thunderstorms, low 54. On Monday, possible strong thunderstorms in the morning, high 79, chance of rain 40%. And on Monday night, partly cloudy, low 66, winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tuesday, sunshine, hot, high 91, winds northeast at less than 5 miles per hour.
Here's your 7-day outlook.